Have you ever carried a heavy backpack for so long that your shoulders began to ache? The longer you carry it, the heavier it feels. Life can be like that. We carry worries, responsibilities, disappointments, and fears until our hearts become tired. In Matthew 11, verse 28, Jesus says, "Come to me all who are weary and heavy laden, and I will give you rest." This verse reminds us that we don't have to carry life's burdens alone. Jesus invites us to bring every worry and every struggle to Him because He cares for us. The rest that Jesus offers is more than physical rest. It is the peace that calms our anxious hearts, the strength to keep going, and the hope that we are never alone. When we trust Him and place our burdens in His hands through prayer, He renews our spirit. Today, may we choose to let go of the weight we were never meant to carry alone and accept the peace and rest that only Jesus can give. Amen.